Good morning, friends.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
This morning I wanted to take you along and show you some of my morning farm chores, sort of like daily farm chores. We've got a jam-packed schedule, so it's gonna be kind of just a whole day of farm vlogging. We are so excited for 2021, and in honor of the new year, leave us a comment down below of one thing you wish to accomplish within this whole new year. It's been really cold lately, and during the winter you do need to feed your bees. So the first thing I'm gonna do this morning is make up some sugar water. I've shown y'all how to do this before. It's just a 2-to-1 ratio in the winter and a 1-to-1 ratio during the spring. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. I'm just gonna watch that carefully, make sure it doesn't start boiling, but all the sugar gets melted. While that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead outside to the animals and go ahead and feed up. What in the world? They are ready to eat. Fresh eggs even in the winter. I also am gonna go ahead and feed our rabbit whiskey. Don't forget the hay. I wanted to show y'all, this is how it should look. It should be clear, where you can't see any sugar granules anymore. Again, it has already been such a crazy day. It is 12 o'clock noon right now. I was rushing this morning. I still have some things to show you, but I got the rabbit and the chickens fed. The dogs were fed earlier, as I stated, and I had to rush out the door because I was going horseback riding at 10 o'clock. And then I finished that, and now I'm at the property. So I'm going to show you what I do out here for my chores when I'm here at the property. I've got to feed the bees, water the trees, and that's about it today. I'm going to head over and go ahead and feed the bees first, and then I will water all the plants. It is an absolutely beautiful day. The sun is shining and it's a lot warmer than it's been the last week. I'm gonna walk this road back to the orchard. Can wash my sticky hands, get these peaches watered. Let's just appreciate this beautiful outhouse that we created. Absolutely in love with it. It's just so pretty to look at. I will love that thing forever. All 15 of our fruit trees have been watered, looking good, growing like they should. Now I'm gonna head back to the house and finish up my chores there. Good morning. Yes, morning. I tried to get everything finished yesterday and it just started raining, and here we are. I wanted to share with y'all a super special treat that our chickens have been loving over the past month. It's called Grub Terra. Grub Terra is a farm-raised black soldier fly larva. It produces stronger eggs, keeps feathers healthy, and they have 75% more calcium than mealworms. Leave a link in the description with more information. Also, they were nice enough to send us a 10% off discount code that you guys can use to get your own Grub Terra for your own flock. I'm gonna go run grab Whiskey and go ahead and trim up his nails. And the final chore we have this morning is I need to thin out this little tiny greenhouse that we made.